Good morning, Savers. It's 4:45. It's a lot brighter today than normal. About mid-60s. It's gonna be about 85 today, so kind of the continuation of a really nice week. Let's see, Tanya's mom, Wanda, is going into the hospital for a knee replacement today. So we're gonna be kind of thinking about that this week for sure, and love your thoughts and prayers on that. And just prepping for the horse show coming up on. So we're heading up Friday night, I think, and Tanya's competing on Saturday. So just kind of things going on this week. This week we're focusing on the Savored thought theme is going to be mindfulness. Mindfulness is natural when you do not need to think about minor daily problems like making a living. Maylik. Yeah, I think it is kind of natural. It's kind of thinking in perspective here. And I think about this a lot, and I think most of us do, because it pays for our lifestyle, is what we do for a living. How do we make money to pay for the houses and the cars and everything that we either enjoy or kind of stressed out by. But otherwise, if you're not thinking about that, my hope is that we're all thinking about the people that we're with, our families, ourselves. I know I'm this week, or not this week, but just kind of in general trend is thinking more mindfully. The simple things in life and savoring them. Because when it comes down to it, the only thing we have is the present moment. Then we can think about the past and the good or the bad of the past. They passed. And we can think about the worst case scenario and the most horrible things that could happen to us in the future. And, I think you can prepare for things, but if you live in the future, you're living in the unknown. Because it hasn't happened yet. It may never happen. As far as the things we're thinking about could happen. So just keep it simple. And just like this morning, it's brisk and got goosebumps, and smells are really good out. And just enjoy talking to you and the walk. So thanks for joining me on the walk. I'd love to have you every day if you can. Just really thinking about slowing down and enjoying the moments that are here right now. And the people that you love. And keeping the important things important. If you know somebody that would like this, definitely share this with them. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like, subscribe, push the notifications, thumbs up, whatever, and join me every morning. I'm seeing bunnies again. They're in a different yard today. Oops. Let's see where Frank is. Oh, there you are, buddy. Morning, Frank. Man, it is just a beautiful day. Just taking a little break, mid-afternoon. It's about 75 degrees. It's supposed to hit 85 today, but I just don't see it happening. But these are kind of the days of light breeze outside, sunny, not roasting hot, not cold. This is what the Pacific Northwest has a lot of. Just haven't seen it much this year, so I'm not going to complain. Wanda's, I think, probably heading into surgery about now, so just thoughts with her. And she should be back home tomorrow. And I think it's going to be a good recovery, and it's supposed to be a good surgery, so her knee won't hurt. from then on. Let's see, tonight we're going to be making pork Kevin, and so it's a really simple meal, just with 5 ingredients. It usually takes about 15 minutes to make, for me at least 20 minutes, and just really good. So definitely join us for that, and just living in the moment. Life is good. Life is good. Thanks for joining me.